My name is Amandla, which means power. Growing up, my amazing mom taught me to be self-confident, so I always felt powerful and invulnerable. However, her passing 2 years ago left a huge void in my life, and I struggled with this new emptiness. During these vulnerable times, I met my boyfriend, who seemed to bring light into my darkness with fun and thoughtful gifts. Initially, I didn't realize that his attentions were slowly turning into manipulation and pressure. It wasn't until I experienced this firsthand that I learned about gender-based violence. This was a very painful insight. I'm now on a path to recovery, learning day by day with the support of my friends, and I'm seeking professional guidance too. Visit me and my story on Break Free Island to discover how I recognized the signs of gender-based violence and took steps to reclaim my power. Take care of yourself.